A very good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm taking a post as an MC on tonight's Swiss food program that is hosted by the Switzerland.
I will taking care of the dinner tonight for the main course part and also all the hot dishes. I feel like this is a very good opportunity, not only for us, also together for our students to involve in the dinner where they will get a very different exposure. They used to Asian products and so on. So when come to this kind of a foreign country products, they have a doubt. So we already briefed them. So you guys just allocate, go back to your station. All right, so we briefed together with the guest chef.
Let's do it in the dessert.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's the thing. Yeah.
Okay. So mostly they understand everything and then they keep it up, they pick up everything so they can do it well. So they also can contribute all their efforts to succeed this event tonight.
We have a pastry team with the student. Okay, later Sophia, you're going to in charge of the tart. Okay, so mainly we do for like the bread and also the palate cleanser and also our dessert. Challenges that my students encounter is sometimes they have difficulty to set the mousse. Sometimes they overcook the things. So for them, I have my team to oversee the students.
Higher bit like this one, okay, very good. This one you can put more higher bit the chocolate.
So hi everyone. So today for this IMI dinner. So for today, maybe it's a bit tough for our students because it's a good challenge, which means when they are going for the F&B industry, they will run for this type of dinner. And also we have the Swiss chef from IMI, so they can learn from the chef.
And then we're gonna have some horseradish, and we're gonna have some sour cream.
So for tonight dinner, maybe a bit challenging for the student. So for the preparation side, we will guide the student to complete all the mise en place.
Alright, so roughly about in the oven, 160 degrees.
And we will share the experience to the student. So for today, I hope they all can learn something and benefit for their future.
Yeah, it feels quite good to be here at Golden Chef Academy in Penang. It's my first few days in this part of Malaysia, so it will be interesting to see how the audience here achieve the Swiss-Scandinavian cooking and how it compares to the normal fare you serve here. And so far, I'm just here for about half an hour. It's very professional, both teachers and students. Yeah, very good. So it's a true pleasure. There's no feeling that it will not run smoothly at all. It's very, very nice. So, and today we're going to do a little bit of a combination of my heritage from Scandinavia together with my current role as a main lecturer in culinary in Switzerland. So we're going to have elements from the forests in Switzerland, the Swiss cheese, we're going to have the seasonal morels in the main dishes. We're also going to have some herring and salmon, more in the way of Scandinavia, and also in this light preparation we normally use in Switzerland. So it's a combination of both my heritage and my current role in Switzerland.
Today for the event, actually we have some delay. Okay, for the delay, we are actually on miscommunication, but finally we also can solve it the problem. 期盼最要4个人 My most concern was be the customer, their satisfaction. Right, so to prevent the same issue happen, for what I prefer, I will be next time to double confirm with all my service staff, okay, about the customer information or any updated. Student, I would like to share with you, okay, although this event may be having some problem and issue, okay, but remember, we can learn from the mistake. And don't forget, okay, we always gain from the mistake, okay, and we can having more experience on that. Okay, and also in this event, I would like to really appreciate for our students that who are held on this event. They really do their best and do it very well. Okay, so I would like to thank you all. Right, so I hope you all can get more experience on every event also.
Kind of tired, but it was very eventful for us because we have learned a lot of new things throughout this whole event.
Like Swiss dessert, like how people like the sorbet and stuff. It's quite unique.
Like pistachio, we've got to play with a lot of ingredients that we don't usually get to play with.
Like pralinosa.
Yeah,
It's
a
quite
lot of
unique.
exotic ingredients.
Yeah.
So we had to adapt very fast to new changes, new challenges.
During the event, it was quite relaxing, but it was also quite nerve-wracking.
Yeah, and we have very limited ingredients. So if we mess it up, most probably we'll have a lot of trouble getting it back. So that was a lot of pressure as well. Totally consider going to Switzerland to further my studies.
Or either working at Switzerland, because I think it would be a great experience.
I would want to get to know more about their cultural food, their cultural work life. Yeah, seems like a good place.
The most satisfying part is that I could learn a thing or two from the Switzerland chef.
From serving, I guess I learned how to be more coordinated with the team and all, so that we can serve the right food to the right tables. One of the things I learned is how to serve on a higher level, on a fine dining level. You know, all the etiquettes and so on, which was interesting, and I learned a lot from this event.
Let's experience Swiss food, yeah!
Golden Chef, College of Culinary Art and Hospitality.